Okay, so right now we're moving stuff into our new house. It's gonna take me a while to put everything up, but don't judge. So here, hold on. Here's my room so far. I'm definitely gonna make sure to like do it today. I have a closet. I actually have a closet now. Don't mind the stuff in here, but I used to not have a closet because there used to be mold in it. Here's the bathroom. Here's my mom's room. And here's the spare bedroom. Okay, so when we go to our other house, I'm gonna show you like which one was my room, which one was my mom's, and the spare bedroom. This one in the other house that we're in would be my room, or was my room. The one here is still the same as my mom's room. The old house was the same, but this one is my room. At the old house, it was a spare room. And now I'm just rearranging our makeup into this because it opens. This is the first time we've ever had like a sliding mirror. Run, Forrest. Run. Why aren't you running?
Ooh.
You.
My fat ass tired.
Oh my god. So this is the kitchen in our old house. Here is the spare room, which is my room in the other house. Here is my mom's room. You can't really see it. And this one in this house is my room. And here's the kitchen in this older house. This is the mirror and stuff.
Find the beat and express yourself. Show them who you are.
I'm not doing anything. It is time to reveal. Ta-da! It's not, to some people it's not a lot, but to me this is cluttered. I like it a lot. Here's the mirror. And then here's this. I really like this. My little cute thingies. I was gonna put LED lights up, but they didn't work. But that's okay. And then my poster, the drawings I made for my boyfriend and my friend Gabe. My Hello Kitty blanket-like tapestry. Don't judge that. I have to use this. I have to. And then here's my closet. I was trying to be cool and organize the pants, the shirts, sweaters. You know how it goes. And here's this. And then here's my little picture thing. I'm gonna add more actually. I really want to add more. Some tickets, art, my poster, or my, yeah, posters, Ponyo. and then my flag. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.